Okay, Mike, let's start talking stamps. Let's start at the very beginning, 1840, penny black. Everyone's heard of the penny black. Let's have a look at, if we can, how they made the plates.
Certainly,
Okay? Thanks.
Certainly. The penny black was produced in sheets of 240 stamps, and the way they made the sheets was as follows. We have here an image of a die engraved by a clever engraver onto hard steel. The die was used as the basis of the design, and a soft steel roller was rolled into the die to pick up the design in reverse on the roller. The roller was then hardened and then rolled into the plate, which is a large piece of flat steel, 240 times, as you can see on this image. This is a copy of the proof or imprimatur sheet of the first plate of the penny black. The impressions were lined up 20 down and 12 across, and the last detail that was added to these images was the check letters in the lower corners. These were put in by punching a hammer using a punch similar to this. The check letters are all lined up in a particular order, and they were one of the security measures used for producing these stamps. Some of the stamps from these proof sheets have been removed over the years, and they are in well-known collections. We also found that some of these plates lasted a long time, some of them lasted a very short time, and the stamps that were produced from those plates are consequently very rare. So collectors can look for those rarer stamps if they wish to. But I believe that you can show me, Bill, one of the rare varieties when somebody made a mistake with these check letters.
Well, as part of my exhibit, I was very fortunate to acquire a copy from plate 77. It's the second stamp. It's the first stamp on the second row where they forgot to put in the check letter in the lower square.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely variety.
Yeah, it's called the B blank A. You can clearly see it here. There's a B in the lower left-hand square. The lower right-hand square is totally empty. There is nothing there. They totally forgot that it's a very rare variety. There are, I believe, there are 28 examples recorded, of which one is on cover, 5 are on piece, and there's 22 singles. 11 are used in London, 1 is used in Ireland, which is this item here. You can tell it's used in Ireland because the cancellation is a diamond in shape. And it's a beautiful piece, and I was very fortunate to be able to acquire it. I'd like to show you one or two other items as well. This photograph of the imprimatur sheet, I've actually got 3 examples which have been cut from the penny black imprimatur sheets. These are the actual examples cut from the sheet, and this plate 1 imprimatur here, this is actually an imprimatur that would have been originally lived right there. That's where that stamp was born. So that's an original imprimatur.
And tell me finally, Bill, this item here.
Oh, this item here. This is quite interesting. This is a penny black, actually used on the first day.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. It's a significant item. Okay, it was used within London on May the 6th, 1840, and again they're all recorded. There are 85 examples which appear to be genuine. This one here is quite interesting. It was sold in 1951 in the Sugden collection for £77, 10 shillings. And in 1963 it was in the collection of the well-known Swiss magnate Maurice Burris when it sold for £130. I had to pay considerably more than £130
I'm sure you did.
for it, but it's a great piece. Okay, Mike, that was great. Thanks very much.